This is how to fix Instagram highlights not working issue. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram account, now here you have to simply click on the profile icon at the bottom left corner. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this page. Here you will be able to view the highlights option. However, if you are not able to view these highlights on your Instagram profile, what you can do is you have to go to your Play Store app. Now here you have to simply search for the Instagram, and after that here you have to see if it's showing an update message. This might be a reason that you are using an old version of Instagram, so you are not able to view this highlights option. Another fix that you can try is you have to go to your mobile settings, and here in the mobile settings you have to go to the apps and management or apps option, and then you have to here search for the Instagram app. Now once you have searched for it, you have to click on it to open it. After that here you have to go to the storage option, and now you have to click on it. Once you click on the storage option, and here you have to simply click on the clear cache option at the bottom right corner. This will fix all the bugs and errors if there are any on your app. Another fix that you can try is to solve this issue is you have to go back to your mobile settings, and here you have to click on the about phone option, and after that click on the software information. Here you have to check if your software is updated or not. If your software is not updated, then you have to update your software. To enjoy latest features of the apps, you have to keep updating your mobile software. I hope that this video will help you out. If so, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.